Yeah, 650 cattle yard here in a July market here in Mossvale today. Surprising numbers for this time of year. Normally we're back to 300 or 400. Cow market stayed strong with the best of cows making it $3.30, which is probably 5 or 6 dearer, but we only really had good fat dry cows here. The working cows that were here were making from $2.20 through to $2.70 based on yield. Here in the export market, so we had some really nice speckled park steers and heifers from Shelton Park out of Robertson. Well done, Phil and Pete. They topped the market here today, weighing 615 kilos at $4.10 or 20, and up to $4. Yes, feeder steers took a real leap here today. Could have been 15 to 25 cents dearer. The lead of the Angus feeder steers making up to $5.30, consistently making $4.72 through to $5.41. Really strong feeder market.
Restocker heifers are strong in here today. These lighter black Angus restocker heifers made up to $6.10 today. Very nice runner.
Angus cross and Angus steers here today. Restockers made from $5.70 up to $6.70.
Good steers.
Chilly morning here in Mossvale with 11 bulls yarded. Heavy bulls topped at $3.